Hello, and today I'm going to talk about my place of work. And the place where I work is the British School of Monteria, and it's a well-established school. I've been working there for the last 5 years, and it's a privilege to be a member of the teaching English staff. The school was founded in 1986. It's a pretty, for by standards, new school. And in those 35 years, has been working so hard to become the #1 school in the city and the #1 school in the state or departamento. Córdoba, the city of Monteria, of course. And it's a school that is always evolving into new things. Right now, the latest the school is trying to achieve is a certification for the IB program. So to become a member of the IB world program. So the school is going into an internalization about the whole thing, staff, students, everything. So it's working for the last 2 years to achieve that. And right now it's in the final stage to be approved, which is a very good thing, We'll be the first school in Monteria to do that. And it will become among the 40th schools in the nation to do it. So it's a pretty well-established school. Like I said before, the level of English of the students are really high. It's a bilingual school. Calendar B means we start in August and in June. So just we can, Dios mío. Hello, and today I'm going to talk about my place of work. And where I work is the British School of Monteria. It's a bilingual school. I've been working there for the last 5 years, since 2016. It's a calendar-based school, means we start in early August, mid-August for the students, and we finish the first week of June, second week of June. So we can match international standards that way. Right now, the school has always been evolving, into new things. We have the certification of as a test site for the TOEFL exam, one of the 2 test sites in the city. And right now the school is working for the last 3 years very hard on achieving the certification for the IB program. The IB program is the International Baccalaureate. So the students can graduate with an international diploma, which will open many doors for them into universities and everywhere around the world. More than 2,000 universities actually will acquire them just because they have a graduate diploma from an IB program school. So the school has been working hard. We are in the final stages this year to be certified, so we hopefully will do it. And I'm a witness of how hard the school has worked among staff and people preparing to become IB certified teachers. The school is a small school actually. The population is about 350 students only. One classroom per grade, and each classroom is around 20 to 25 students only. So it's really great to teach their English, and the level of English of the students is really high since early stages all the way to 11th grade before graduating. It's amazing how you can speak to a 3rd grade student or a 5th grade student and have a conversation in English, and they can sustain it. So it's pretty remarkable, how the students get into this immersion in their school and then they go abroad to different countries, English-speaking countries, and they can understand and communicate in English. So this is mainly about the school. It's a nice school, wonderful to work there. The environment is really nice. It's a really pretty school, in the physical aspect also, and it's been a wonder time to be working there. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.